Hey, good afternoon, Riley from McNaught Cadillac, and I've got a really special certified pre-owned vehicle here to show you today. It's our 2013 Chevy Avalanche Black Diamond Edition. Now this Chevy Avalanche marks the last final production year of this vehicle. So the Black Diamond Edition does feature a couple special and unique features, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. Now under the hood, you've got the reliable 5.3 liter V8 engine, and that's going to be paired up with a 6-speed auto transmission, getting you great highway fuel economy and plenty of power and towing capacity when you need it most. On the front, you do have the the hood bug deflector. You've got your fog lamps, tow recovery hooks, and the overall condition of this vehicle is 10 out of 10. Like, you've got 107,000 kilometers as of this video, so certified pre-owned warranty definitely has you covered. Brand new Michelin all-season tires with the 17-inch rims. You do have the mud flaps right down there, side assist steps, as well as your roof crossbar. Now as we move around the side here, you're going to see that Black Diamond Avalanche badging on the side there. Now a couple features about this one is the body colored bed surroundings. Some of the Avalanches have the black plastic on the back, but this one has the paint to match color, which looks really great. You do have the parking sensors on the back end, your heavy duty trailering hitch, your backup camera, and as we take a look inside the box, you do have the box liner, so you don't have to worry about scratching that up. And of course, because this is the Avalanche, you've got the tri-folding tonneau cover on there to keep all your cargo nice and hidden. And you do have remote start in this vehicle, meaning you're able to start it up in the winter or summer, and it's going to heat or cool the cabin to a nice comfortable temperature. And speaking about comfortable, as we take a look inside here, you do have the black cloth interior. Fresh out of detail, this vehicle literally looks brand new. And you've got your power adjustable front driver's seat. You've got the WeatherTech all weather mats in the front and back, so you don't have to worry about getting your carpet dirty whatsoever. Front split bench lifts up, allowing room for 3 passengers in the front. You've got the leather wrapped steering wheel, and behind your steering wheel you're going to find your light controls, your auto 4x4, and your trailer brake controller. Now on the driver's door panel itself, pretty simple. What you're going to find is your power adjustable side view mirrors and then your 1 touch-down windows. Now that we're inside the Chevy Avalanche, let's take a look at some of the main selling features about this truck. Starting off with your leather-wrapped steering wheel. If we take a look over here on the front dash on the odometer, you've got 107,536 kilometers, so this is eligible for our certified pre-owned warranty. You've got your cruise controls over here on the left, as well as your radio and volume controls on the right. Now on the column shifter itself, you do have your towing button as well as your manual shifting. And if you put the truck into reverse, you are going to notice your backup camera that you've got here on the rear view mirror itself, and that is going to work in conjunction with your parking sensors to allow you to park this vehicle without a problem. Now your radio here is pretty interesting. You do have Sirius XM radio, which is going to come standard for the first 3 months. You've got auxiliary and a CD player as well, so you could connect your phone whatever you want and play some music. You've got the dual zone climate controls with the pretty interesting selector right here to adjust your temperature. I believe this is unique to the Avalanche trucks, but I'm not 100% sure on that. You do have the 12-volt outlets here. This one is actually a USB outlet if you want to plug in your phone, charge that up. Power adjustable foot pedals. You've got the parking sensor toggles and your traction control. Now, last but not least, if you pop open the armrest, you've got plenty of storage in there. But like I said, if you want to lift this up all the way, you've actually got access to seat a 3rd passenger. Now taking a look into the back seat of your Chevy Avalanche, plenty of legroom back here. Once again, the WeatherTech all-season mats. You've also got a storage bin right down there, so you could definitely get nice and comfortable in the back of this truck. The seats do fold up if you want access to some storage space under there as well. So overall, if you're looking for a really reliable truck here, the Chevy Avalanche Black Diamond Edition is a one-of-a-kind truck. Plenty of towing capacity from that 5.3 liter and definitely lower kilometers for its year model. So if you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact us at McNaught and we'd be happy to help you out.